How to automatically backup files to Google Drive. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also looking for ways to automatically backup files in Google Drive, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Google Drive for desktop download, and basically you just have to download the Google Drive application, which will be pretty convenient for our process. So if you are using Windows, you can just simply download for Windows. Since I have already downloaded it, I'll just show it from over here. So once you get to this screen, just click on this add folder and basically choose the folder or file which you want to sync to your Google Drive. So I'll simply select this folder over here. Make sure you can always come back over here to choose new folder and simply skip it for now. I'll just select next, and once you're finally clicking on this new process, here's what will happen is you can basically choose any of the files to import to the newly created folder, and it will automatically shown on this Google Drive, or it will automatically be synced on your Google Drive. So let me just quickly show you. As you can see, our files is visible there, and just like that your file will be automatically synced to our Google Drive. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.